just one of those days that makes you feel so happy to be alive. I always feel so creatively charged during the summer. I don't know what it is, but I feel like all of my energy is just back. Obviously, all the changes of my life, moving into a new apartment, living with my boyfriend, and having a new little furry pet. I'm gonna come say hi. She's just so adorable. Is she asleep right now? She's a little calico. And the reason why I named her Clementine was because she has different colors of hair, kind of like the character from Eternal Sunshine. So I thought it was kind of fitting to name her that. I'm sorry, I'm like going like this because like all the cat hair is just everywhere. With all the new chapters come new videos and comes new content, and of course the poetry will definitely be a thing. I want to start vlogging more and showing you guys my everyday life, which is something that I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit scared of doing more so back then. I have my bag of Goodwill stuff, and I also have some from Buffalo Exchange, Ultra Vintage. So I did kind of like want to show you guys some of the stuff that I found in my thrift challenge to kind of just throw you guys through the notions of what I thought about while I was thrifting these pieces. I do have this floral set here that I have to DIY, and I wanted to mention it again just because I wanted to ask you guys what you think I should do with it. I was thinking of cutting it up, maybe cropped, and having it have like a very nice loose crop fit. I think it'd be really cute with a pair of jeans or alongside the skirt, which I also have to kind of make my size. I love this two-piece set. It's so colorful and fun, and I know that it might not be everyone's cup of tea, but a lot of you guys actually seem to like it since you ended up voting for this. This was like the first item that I found at the thrift store. It's just this little baby doll dress. It's denim, and it's originally from BDG, which is obviously an Urban Outfitters brand. I am in love with it. I love the silhouette. I think it's just very fun for your everyday basic denim dress. Oh, and by the way, the set was $5.99 and the denim dress was $9.99, so pretty okay in the price point there. We have our big old Ultra Vintage bag right here filled with a bunch of vintage goodness. Actually, I only got 3 pieces that day, but for me, that's like a pretty good day because I don't usually find vintage that actually fits me and looks good and is pretty, and I can see myself wearing it for a while. Let me show you guys the smallest thing first. Just this scarf right here. It's red and it's got some flowers on it. This interesting little bubbly circular pattern at the center, and I just thought it would be really cute to wear tied up as a top. Didn't have a red scarf already, which is surprising because you guys know how much I love to wear the color red. It just gives me so much confidence. So I'm very excited to wear this for the summertime with like a pair of jeans, maybe some gold hoop earrings or something just to give it some pizzazz. And then the next thing that I found at Ultra Vintage is this yellow maxi skirt. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it this length, but I think I might because I really enjoy wearing long skirts once in a while, and I don't think I have enough that I really love. Look at these colors. It's got these beautiful lilac flowers on it, some blues, yellows, and some green leaves. I can see myself wearing it with like a little off-the-shoulder white top or maybe something with eyelets in it. I just think it meshes pretty well, and for only $6, pretty good price. Whenever I look in the racks of vintage dresses at Ultra Vintage, they seem to be pretty out there, and I guess if you're into that look, that's fine, but I like things to be a little bit more slim to the body, something a little bit more modern, and I think that although you can find pretty interesting dresses with cool fabrics and things, it's never really too wearable. Let me just zip this up really quick. Look at her, so beautiful. Only $10. I am obsessed with this print. I love the neckline, and it has this triangular shape going on at the chest, and my favorite part about it is the little yellow piping that it has inserted within the panel. I'm proud of myself because I never find anything this remotely cool and vintage. I can see myself wearing this on its own because it is so pretty, but I also pictured myself wearing like a white t-shirt underneath to kind of layer it just a little bit. Oh, and I forgot to mention the fact that it's all ruffled at the bottom. Like, do you guys see how cute and ruffly that is? Can't wait to wear this and style it for you guys very soon because I can't get enough of it. Now we're on to some things that I got at Buffalo Exchange. I have some from the last time that I went for that video, and then some that I've kind of just been picking up here and there. Now, before I start, I did want to throw in a little disclaimer for those of you guys that are going to point out the obvious. I know that Buffalo Exchange is not a thrift store. I know it's a consignment shop, but I just call these thrift hauls because it's a shorter version of a title. I have had a black, red, and nude beret for pretty much a long time in my closet, and I've been wanting a white one for a while. Saw some at Anthropologie and Urban Outfitters, and I believe they were going for about $40, which your girl is not about to spend $40 on a beret unless it's like woven with silk and gold or something. This one was $14.50, which is okay. It's not the worst price ever, but the quality seemed decent enough, and it's not $40, and it was just there, so I thought I would add it into the video, and here it is. Perfect for the fall time if you don't want to go straight into the neutral colors, which I have right here. It's just one of those Baker Boy hats that everyone's been pretty much wearing, but I love the color. I think that makes it unique in itself because it's got like this burnt orange hue going on. Kind of looks cute with this top and this skirt actually. This one was $12.50, so a little cheaper, and it looks pretty decently made. I didn't realize that I needed this bag until I got it because it has so much space in it. Usually I get small bags, crossbodies, things that I can easily walk around with, but this one is both chic and roomy, which is good, especially for days that I'm filming and I need to put my camera in it just in case I forget a tote bag, which happens quite often. I even went ahead and tied a little scarf in it because the handles themselves are pretty painful to walk around with. Like, could you imagine just like having straw scraping on your arm or your hand? It's not fun. I have this cute little cropped tank bra thing. I don't even know if I can call this a top because it's super cropped, which I'm okay with. Originally from Zara, but I got it at Buffalo Exchange secondhand, which is always good because that means fast fashion is going to other people rather than landfills. It's made out of this linen fabric, which is always trending in the summertime, and it's got these like little sunflower, I don't even know what kind of flowers these are. The ruffle that goes around the bodice is really cute and flirty, and I can't wait to wear this with that little straw bag that I showed you guys before. And this one came out to $14, so not too bad, I think. And now for the main reason I go to that Buffalo Exchange in particular, Reformation, $26. Yeah, I could have my entire closet Reformation. No, I wouldn't do that. I love vintage too much, but I love Reformation. What I always do is I wait until after Christmas when they're at like 40 to 60% off, and that is when I can actually afford them. It's a struggle, so what I do now is that I go to this Buffalo Exchange, and I don't know who the hell is donating Reformation, but they always have Reformation. They're like without fail, always. And this time I didn't find as many Reformation pieces, so I only really had this one thing to choose from. So anyway, let me just show you guys the item because it's pretty damn adorable. I do have to admit to you guys that wearing black for some reason has now become out of my comfort zone because I wear so much color that when I wear black, I just feel weird. Since it's so cute, I have made a sacrifice to wear black. It's made out of this gorgeous chiffon fabric, and it has all this embroidery that goes on the entire body. It's so beautifully made, and of course my favorite part are the billowy sleeves. I think it's just a very sexy top, just perfect for those kinds of occasions when you want to go out at night, maybe to a concert or something, and want to wear something a little bit scandalous. I think out of everything in this haul, this is actually one of the first thrifted summer pieces that I got for myself, and I've already worn it a ton. Would be perfect to wear on top of bathing suits if you want to, but could also be worn out and about. I could even see this worn with like this cute little hat on top to give it a nice bright pop of color. I have this little lacy bralette that I've been liking to wear underneath it to kind of give it some depth and coverage, obviously. And I believe this one was only like $12. I always have a grand old time at Buffalo Exchange because they do have trendier pieces that just need a little bit of rehoming, and the fact that I've already worn this like a million times just, I think, makes up for the price itself. Wow, I almost ended this video like forgot about these amazing shoes. I don't normally thrift my shoes because for whatever reason they're either too worn out or they're not my size, and you know what, these, I've got to admit, are not my size. They're a size 9. Are these called like espadrilles or something? Yeah, they're like these, I guess, flat espadrille type of shoes, which is just perfect for me because I don't like wearing like heeled shoes. But I figured since they have like this tie up detailing here. I can kind of just tighten up the shoe to my ankle and it doesn't move around when I do that. These are originally from Vince. These are brand spanking new. They still have like the tag on it and everything, so I don't know who the hell just buys shoes and doesn't wear them, but I mean, got these for $34, pricey but in brand new condition, and they're like beautiful shoes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know these are some of your favorites to watch, so if you did, make sure to give it a like, and as always, please leave me a comment down below letting me know your favorite piece that I found, or maybe your own favorite thrift finds lately. I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of whatever's left of this beautiful day. I love y'all so much. Take care, and bye!